When soil cracks, it's not just a surface drying problem. What's really happening is a breakdown of the soil's internal structure. These cracks can occur naturally, but very often they are a clear signal of human pressure on the land. The primary driver is rapid water loss. Soil is a living structure designed to store moisture. During prolonged droughts and periods of high temperature, water evaporates quickly. Soil particles lose cohesion, and the surface begins to split. This is why cracking is especially visible during hot summers. Clay-rich soils are particularly prone to cracking. Clay can hold large amounts of water, but when it dries, it shrinks significantly. That shrinkage creates wide and deep fissures, which is why many cracked landscapes are dominated by clay soils. Climate change accelerates this process. Longer droughts, more frequent heat waves, and irregular rainfall patterns cause soil to alternate between rapid drying and sudden saturation. This instability weakens soil structure and makes cracking more severe. Agricultural practices can worsen the problem. Excessive irrigation followed by long dry intervals leads to salinization and structural damage. Over time, soil loses its ability to retain water and becomes hard, brittle, and prone to cracking when dry. The loss of vegetation leaves soil unprotected. When vegetation disappears, soil is exposed directly to the sun, dries faster, and begins to crack. This is often an early stage of desertification. Overuse of groundwater also plays a role. Groundwater supports the soil from below, and when it is extracted intensively, underground voids form. The land surface can sink and fracture in a process known as land subsidence. Healthy soil is elastic because it is rich in microorganisms and organic matter. Degraded soil behaves differently. It hardens as it dries, loses flexibility, and cracks more easily. These cracks are dangerous. They damage plant roots, allow water to drain too quickly into deeper layers, increase erosion, and reduce fertility. As a result, recovery becomes difficult, and the risk of desertification grows. The process is self-reinforcing. As soil cracks, it loses water faster. Plants weaken, shade disappears, and more heat is absorbed. Each step deepens the damage. When soil cracks, the real problem lies beneath the surface. It is a signal of dehydration, exhaustion, and structural failure. Cracked soil is not just dry soil. It is soil asking for help.